Good morning to you all faithful followers and subscribers to Jean Truelove Quilts for You. This is Ian Truelove on Saturday, July the 21st, is it, or 22nd? Substituting for my beauty, who's not very well, but she sends her love and best regards to you all. Unfortunately, about 10 days ago, she started to get a headache and then sore throat, postnasal drip, etc., and realized it was the flu. It got worse. Now she has upper respiratory problems, developed into bronchitis. By the way, I insisted on same day following up with the doctor's advice, because I went to the doctor's appointment with my Jean, coughing away like crazy she was. The nurse practitioner recommended going for a chest x-ray immediately, just to make sure that there was no pneumonia. Since then, in fact even before that, my gut feeling was I think it's developed the bronchitis, the flu, into some pneumonia problem, and she now feels, my Jean feels, that most probably it is. So I'm going to be calling the doctor this morning and getting the results of the chest x-ray, which is what we went to the local hospital here, very nice hospital campus, and she had the chest x-ray within minutes of leaving the doctor's office. So going to get the results on that. We want whatever's possible in the way of antibiotics to kill whatever she has in obstructing her airways in the chest. Anyway, through all the coughing and whatever, she's concerned most about all of you dear ones, especially the ones who comment. So keep the comments coming. She reads them every day. She's sorry she's not able to answer at present, but she's on medication and doctor's orders and hopes to be much better very soon. In fact, overnight I can tell there's an improvement, although she's still coughing badly. Anyway, the way of the world. So, a suggestion, if you please would go back over the previous videos she's made. I think it's something like 600. Astounding. Go back and look at whatever you feel you'd like to. That would really help us right now, and Jean is going to get back to answering your questions and also back to the latest tutorial as soon as she possibly can. Sorry for the accent, I'm so English amidst this American world here, but I'm an American now. I joined the rebels a few years ago. Anyway, have a great day. The sun is shining, and I haven't heard any bad news yet, so all I can think of is good news. We just want to share our love and best wishes with you all, and Jean will be back to speak with you really soon. Bye bye for now. Yes, just remembered that our lovely Maxwell, a big hunk with a computer genius brain, is going to be assisting in the background and putting this video up. Perhaps he'll even show his handsome face with his new haircut. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. See ya. Bye for now.